Welcome to Celebs Luxury, where we explore the most opulent vehicles that cater to the demands of high-level clients. In today's episode, we'll delve into the world of the most luxurious limousines. These vehicles redefine comfort and style, making them the preferred choice of celebrities and VIPs. Let's take a closer look. Scene 1. Clausen Mercedes V-Class Limousine. Starting off, we have the Clausen Mercedes V-Class Limousine. Clausen, a renowned German aftermarket supplier, specializes in converting ultra-luxury vehicles into deluxe stretch limousines. These vehicles offer full automation of door and curtain functions, along with touch-operable iPads that grant users control over mood lighting and side panel operations. Voice commands are also at your service. Features include glossy carbon fiber side panels, a PlayStation 4, multimedia systems, automatic folding tables, a coffee maker, massagers, and champagne drawers. The Clausen Mercedes V-Class ensures a lavish and high-tech travel experience. Scene 2. Mercedes Maybach S600 Pullman. Next up is the Mercedes Maybach S600 Pullman, the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. With a length of nearly 6.5 meters, this limousine provides generous space for 4 passengers in the rear. The executive seats are configured for comfort, with 2 facing forward and 2 facing backward. The Pullman boasts an 18.5-inch monitor, Burmester surround sound, and an electronically controlled glass partition that transitions from transparent to opaque. It's a symbol of opulence and sophistication. Scene 3. Clausen Range Rover Limousine. Clausen, a seasoned German company, offers opulent conversions of vehicles like the Land Rover Range Rover. The Range Rover limousine measures 6.2 meters in length, accommodating 4 passengers in its luxurious cabin. Featuring adjustable seats, a minibar, and bulletproof armor capable of withstanding 7.62 M caliber bullets. It's the perfect blend of luxury and security. Scene 4. Lamborghini Aventador Limo. Now let's talk about the Lamborghini Aventador limousine. This concept, envisioned by UK-based company Cars for Stars, aims to transform the iconic Aventador into a limousine. With room for 8 passengers and 4 gull-wing doors for easy access, this project merges the thrill of a sports car with the space of a limo. While it's still a concept, it's undoubtedly an attention-grabbing masterpiece. Scene 5. Porsche Panamera Limousine. The Porsche Panamera Limousine takes luxury to new heights. This extended version of the Porsche Panamera combines sports car performance with spaciousness. It can comfortably seat 8 passengers, offering a minibar, surround sound, and ambient lighting. A true masterpiece of design and engineering. Scene 6. Hummer II Limousine. The Hummer II Limousine redefines the term power and exclusivity. Its rugged appearance is extended in length, making it a commanding presence on the road. With room for 16 passengers, it features minibars, multiple flat-screen TVs, surround sound systems, and vibrant lighting to create an unforgettable experience. Scene 7. Rolls-Royce Serenity Phantom. Rolls-Royce unveiled the Serenity Phantom at the Geneva International Motor Show. This masterpiece features hand-woven silk and mother of pearl paint, inspired by luxurious oriental robes. With its unique interior design, including silk-lined panels and opulent furnishings, it offers seating for 4 in unrivaled comfort and style. Scene 8. Cadillac Escalade Viceroy Edition. The Cadillac Escalade Viceroy Edition is the epitome of a mobile office. With its elongated body and state-of-the-art features, it offers maximum comfort and convenience. Features include a 48-inch Samsung Fork TV, electronic partitions, and top-tier security systems. It's the perfect blend of luxury and technology. Scene 9. Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine. The Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine, with its 21-foot length, is the pinnacle of British luxury. It offers fold-out tables, iPad stations, and champagne flutes for maximum comfort and entertainment. This bespoke vehicle combines the aesthetics and performance of Bentley with unmatched comfort and style. Scene 10. Hummer 2 Limousine. We round off our list with the Hummer 2 Limousine, a vehicle known for its square corners, massive tires, and off-road capabilities. This stretched version seats 16 passengers and boasts an array of entertainment features, including mini bars, flat-screen TVs, and atmospheric lighting, background music. These luxurious limousines redefine opulence on wheels, offering the utmost in comfort and style. Join us on Celebs Luxury for more exclusive insights into the world of luxury and extravagance. Until next time, stay tuned and indulge in the finest things in life. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, keep watching.